IPL 2026 ফার্স্ট ম্যাচ 28 মার্চ 2026 RCB vs সানরাইজ হায়দ্রাবাদ চিন্নাস্বামী স্টেডিয়াম বেঙ্গালুরু 7:30 PM RCB playing 11 right hand wicket keeper batsman Phil Salt, number 2 Virat Kohli right hand batsman, number 3 left hand batsman Devdutt Padikkal, number 4 RCB captain Rajat Patidar right hand batsman, number 5 Jakal Bathal left hand batsman, number 6 Tim David right hand batsman, number 7 Jiten Sharma wicket keeper right hand batsman, number 8 all-rounder Kunal Pandya, number 9 Bhuvaneshwar Kumar fast bowler, number 10 Jacob Duffy fast bowler, number 11 Rashid Dhar fast bowler, substitution player or RCB Venkatesh Iyer or Shreyas Sharma. Sunrise Hyderabad playing 11. Number 1 left hand batsman Ishan Kishan wicketkeeper, number 2 left hand batsman Abhishek Sharma, number 3 left hand batsman Davis Head, number 4 wicket keeper batsman right hand batsman Henrik Larsson, number 5 Reddy, number 6 Ankit Verma, number 8 Brian Case, number 9 all-rounder captain, number 10 Ashar Patel, number 10 T Natarajan, number 11 Shivam Mavi. All of player